Hi, it's Nicole from Cricut. To use our popular Print Then Cut feature, we recommend you first calibrate your Cricut machine to ensure it is communicating properly with your printer. We'll take you through this quick process with plenty of help from Design Space. First, you'll need an inkjet printer that's already connected to your desktop or laptop computer. You can use a phone or tablet to calibrate as well, but only if it has the ability to connect to your printer. You'll also need regular copy paper, a light grip mat, and a Cricut cutting machine from the Explore or Maker families, Joy Extra, or Cricut Venture. Let's start in Design Space.
Starting in the main menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, select Calibration.
Follow the green button prompts. Based on the machine you're using, you may see different calibration options. For now, I'll click on Print Then Cut. Select your printer from the drop-down and click Print. If you don't see the printer listed, connect it to your device, following the manufacturer's instructions. Print your calibration sheet on regular copy paper. I like to print out a few extra sheets to have on hand to use after firmware updates to the printer or Cricut machine. Once it's printed, place the calibration sheet on your light grip mat according to the screen prompts, usually the top left, except for Cricut Venture, which is the bottom left corner. Now, press Continue. Here the software connects to your cutting machine. Make sure to load the mat into the machine as directed in Design Space. Following the prompts, click Go in Design Space. Now, follow the Design Space prompts and respond to any questions to complete the calibration. You may need to calibrate more than once. Design Space will guide you all the way. That's it! Now you're ready to create beautiful Print Then Cut stickers and images. If at any time your projects are not cutting correctly, repeat this process. See you in the next video.